Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite people on Triller. So let's start. First open the Triller app. When the app is open, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. On your profile on top left corner you will see an icon. That's the invite icon for Triller. Now tap on that to invite your friends on Triller. And then tap on invite on top right corner. You can invite via text message, email and more. Now tap on more. And from here you can invite via Messenger, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp and more. I'll just invite a few friends via Messenger. Now all you have to do is when the Messenger app opens, tap send just beside your friend's name and the invitation will be sent. And that is how you can invite people on Triller. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.